Hey guys, what's going on here? Welcome back to our channel. So if you've been using CapCut for some time now, you notice that they have made most of their features available only through a paywall, and that's something none of us would like to do. Okay, so if you are looking to get CapCut Pro for free, you've definitely landed on the right video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get CapCut Pro for free without having to pay anything. Okay, so without any further ado, let's aim this tutorial. Okay, so we're back in our CapCut interface. So first thing first, I want to open a project, or you can still create one from your end. So I'll just open this one. Okay, so this is how CapCut interface looks like, as you might have suggested. So I'm just going to go through a few features that were once available for free that are now only available through the paywall. Okay, so something like the audio name, come to this on the tab. Just like so. And then there's this feature that I loved using, right? Okay, it is use noise. Okay, you can see the feature is now available only through the version of the app. Okay, so once you enable this, you need to pay, or you need to join the pro version of the app in order to use it. And there's also a couple of stuffs here that were once available for free, especially in the effects tab. Okay, when you come to the effects, you see that most of them now are available only through the pro version. Okay, look at them. These are some cool effects that I had to use before through the free version of the app, but now it's available only through the pro version of the app. And there's also this one while exporting. So you have only 10 free uses without watermark for export. Okay, so you can only export 10 times 10 you can only export 10 of your content without watermark here, and you can see I've already exhausted my limit. I've reached the limit of 10, and now for me to turn this off, I need to join the pro version of the app. Okay, or unless I want to make this watermark available through any of these options here, and this is something that isn't kind of professional. Okay, so if you do video, if you release content, you want to make them look in a professional way, you don't want to make them feature a CapCut watermark. Okay, so there are two main ways to get CapCut Pro for free. All right, so there is this first and easy method. Okay, and it is definitely one method I love using. Okay, so it doesn't require you to do much. One thing I love with this CapCut, just as any other video editing software, the preview tab here makes you do anything that you want, or let you preview anything that you've added to this timeline without having to render it. Okay, so let's say I take this effect and paste it right here. As you can see, the effect has been added, and it's also available here, no watermark, nothing. So what you want to do is just to click on this expand button, this expand tab here. Okay, so just click on it, and the timeline is going to preview in the whole PC screen. All right, so as you can see, the player controls have disappear. You can just play it. You can see the effect has been added. All the pro features are available in it in this preview. So the hint that the trick that you'll be using here is just to use another video editing software. You can use Screencast, you can use Camtasia, you can use Bodycam, you can use any screen recording software, or you can even use your PC's sniping to record the video. Okay, so once you've recorded the video, you just start playing it from the beginning to the end, just like so. You play, the player disappears, the player controls disappear, and then you just record from the beginning to the end. Okay, and then you go now to your screen recorder and just make this available. Okay, from there you can use your content with these pro features already available in the video without you having to do anything or having to download any other software. Okay, it's not hard, it's 100% legit, this first method. Okay, so that is it for the first method. All right, that's it for the first method. The second method will have you to install a previous version of this CapCut. Okay, so for you to do this, you have to go to your web browser. Okay, just go to your web browser just like so, and then you search for CapCut up to down. just like so. Okay, once you successfully click on a playlist that shows from up to down. Okay, this is download older version of this CapCut. So I'm just going to come here and then click on older versions, scroll all the way down, and search for the version that I'm going to show on the screen. Okay, so this version is one of the most stable versions when it comes to the older version of CapCut. Okay, it is version 1.4.0.188. okay, if you don't want to download this one, there's still another one, version 1.5.0. okay, but I will highly recommend you going for version 1.4.0.188. okay, so you just have to click on that. Okay, so and then you just click on this download button to download it instantly. Okay, just like so. So you select where you want it to be downloaded, and then you just click on this save here. Okay, if you have a download manager, you can use it, or you just have to wait for Chrome to finish downloading it. Okay, okay, so after CapCut is done downloading, or after you've done downloading the version I just recommended earlier, you just want to get to uninstall the previous version that is already a currently installed version of CapCut on your PC. Okay, so for this you have to close the current version, just like so, and then now you go to your control panel and just install the CapCut from there. Okay, let me close this one up. Okay, so I just click on uninstall the program, then from here you scroll until you find CapCut. Alright, so this is CapCut. Just uninstall it just like so. Erase, you make sure you untick this keep user data. Okay, and then you click OK. Okay, so once you're done uninstalling, just click on this complete, and then everything should be uninstalled from that aspect. Okay, so now you just come to your downloads, and then you make sure you open this other CapCut you downloaded recently. Okay, so we have it right here. So you just want to double click on it to install it. Run. Okay, you just check this agree with CapCut, and then you click on install now and let the installer do its job. Okay, so once the installer is done installing CapCut, you just click on start now. Give it some time to load up the interface. Okay, so as you can see, CapCut can run on the PC. Just click on confirm. Alright, so this is one important thing I want you to keep in mind. Okay, so after installing CapCut, you will be prompted to install the new or the latest version of CapCut, which is version 5.8.0 as of this tutorial. Okay, as you can see, our current version is version 1.4.0, the one we downloaded earlier. Make sure you don't install this recent version, because this one comes with all the pro features enabled. Okay, with all the pro features enabled behind a paywall. Alright, so you make sure you cancel this. Click on this just like so. As you can see, if you use this version of CapCut, you will already be familiar with it. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on the start recording start creating, to open a new project. All right, as you can see, let's go to the effects tab. Okay, you can see that these effects that were available in the CapCut, in the recent version of CapCut, are not available here to behind the paywall. Okay, they are freely available. Okay, they are freely available. Okay, let me just get to edit this. Let me import a media. Let me see, I import this. Okay, so I just click on this import, drag and drop it to the timeline. All right, okay, so we have this tab again. Let me go back to this feature that I wanted to use in the other one. You can see noise reduction. It is freely available. It's not paid. Okay, it isn't behind a paywall. All right, you can see, you can just go through all the effects and all the filters, everything, transitions and all the like. You see that they are all available for free. Okay, because this is the period where CapCut was trying to gain a user base. Now they've gotten it, they made everything or most of the stuff that they know we all use available only behind a paywall. Okay, so guys, this is how you get to use CapCut Pro for free. Let me do this other one, like export. Let me click on this export. As you can see, that watermark feature that was available here is not available anymore. Okay, so you can just export your content, you can just export your project just like so without having to go to these watermark settings. Okay, and you also get to choose the higher output rate, the resolutions, even until 4K without having to pay for it. Okay, and then even the frame rate, you can also select up to 60 frames per second, which is very great. All right, so guys, that's how you get to use, or you get to have CapCut Pro for free without having to pay anything. Okay, as you notice in this video, everything is 100% legal and straight, no catch. So it's either you use the recent version of CapCut and record the rendered, or you record the preview of the project that you are actually trying to render. Okay, that's the first method. As for the second method, you install an older version of CapCut on your PC and get to use it without having to pay for the pro features. Okay, so guys, that's all for our video today. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more creative content just like this one. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next video.